much as I can go right now.
Hey, your wheels are straight as
That's as much as I can go. I literally can't go anymore.
Turn anymore?
I gotta be moving.
He's saying he can't cut it unless the truck's moving. It was locked up.
God dang. Hey, Caleb. Oh man, dude, this is getting this truck out, man, not running. That's how we do it though. Caleb, you tell me when. Tell me.
I wouldn't put it in neutral yet. I wouldn't put it in neutral. He's
Just give me a hand signal when to put it in. Alright, we golden, man. Good? Got Johnny's new truck. Gonna rebuild this thing. He's got the door. He's gonna deliver it next week. Dovetail's bringing it up. The old F250, this thing is a beast. 24 valve runs, he said, but it's not everything's, we got to put everything back together on it. But Jonathan got a heck of a deal on this thing. Body's pretty straight. It's a 2-wheel drive 2000 model, a work truck model, but it does have leather. And we just winched it up, put a little wind in the tires, and putting the dovetail up and getting this thing back to the house so we can start working on it. Easy does it. Another one in the books. Load it down, back off the winch a little bit so we can get it unhooked. Wait, a little bit more. You're pulling that winch a little bit so it gets out. Just pull on it a little bit. It should come out. There you go. Some tension off that thing.
Hey, you got a card or something?
The All right, boys, we got the second gen all loaded up, man. Finally got on the trailer after probably about an hour and a half. But she's on there, gonna go home. Say what's up.
Hey.
What do you think?
Hey, gonna need a lot of work, but
Oh yeah.
that's what it takes.
How I am with you, I don't want to do stuff that damages your stuff, so I'm like, you do it.
Yeah, I ain't damaging your stuff.
It should just roll straight off.
It will, it will.
The tires are, or the wheels are straight. It should just roll.
Dude, from this angle, this truck doesn't look half bad. Just needs, looks like it needs a pressure wash. It don't look bad from this angle. Tuck some 33s on this thing. I think there's probably 31s on there right now.
Oh, the tarp ripped off on the other side, so we can.
Yeah, I saw. Yeah.
But if I just keep the wheel straight, I should just be able to back this thing up. I got no brakes, so I'm gonna have to throw it in gear to stop it.
Dude, I just noticed one of my lights on my trailer, the red light on the other side is not working. That sucks. I have to call Gator Made. It's under warranty. 2019 trailer.
You rolling this truck without doors?
Hell yeah, that's how we do it around here, baby.
We're in Alabama now.
Yep.
All right, we got no brakes, so I'm just gonna have to throw it in neutral, and then if I want to stop, I guess just throw it in park.
Yeah.
And hopefully it doesn't wreck the transmission.
I'm gonna put the hold this real quick.
Let's put a chop block on the
I'll
back.
put the wood back there.
So guys, this is the truck. I'll show you guys a little bit more once we get it all parked and off the trailer. But we got a dented hood, a bunch of parts in here, a Ford turbo. If you guys want a turbo for a Ford, let me know. Toolbox, some other stuff. The inside's not that bad. It's got leather seats. Just got to bolt this down. The back seat is mint, door panels, and yeah, so this is gonna be a real project, man. Gonna have to do a lot to the engine bay. We'll go over that in a separate video, but we got a bunch of parts that we got to replace, and yeah, it's a total mess. I can't leave the second gen life, man. I had to pick up another one. Should be a fun project. So let's go ahead and get this truck off the trailer, and hopefully we don't run into that electric fence or just totally ruin the transmission by throwing it in park.
Yeah, I'm hoping maybe don't throw it in park. See if that wood will stop it. Maybe don't throw it in park. If it rolls right over that wood, your front tires would hit it again before it hits that fence.
All right. Well,
but still, if you
emergency brake don't work either.
If you can help it, don't try to throw it in park.
Well,
hopefully it doesn't gain too much speed. It'll gain a little bit of speed for sure.
Yeah.
You want me to lift the dovetail up 8 inches or so?
We'll just send it.
All right. Throw it in gear. Throw it in gear. Holy shit.
Barely, dude.
You're touching it. Good thing it ain't got no battery in it.
Dude.
Fry your whole system. You touching it?
We got the electric fence a little bit.
You touch it?
But
barely.
We're good, dude.
Good. You're good to go.
Now I could just pull this forward with my truck and get it on the asphalt, but
I feel like if I would have raised the dovetail up 6 inches, it probably wouldn't have gained that much speed.
yeah.
But we
it's all
live
right.
life on the edge around here.
Yeah, dude.
We
We
should have
just
put
send
that thing in front of the tire.
We just send it right off of there. Oh, the old second gen is home. Should we go over a little bit more? I kind of already showed you guys the interior, leather interior.
It's gonna need everything from fuses to thermostats to
Boost tubes for the
all
turbo.
sorts of stuff. I got a couple things here at my house that we're gonna loan to this truck.
Two new batteries. Like you said, a bunch of fuses.
We're gonna find a bunch of things that I bet are what?
Touch the frame. You'll get shocked from the fence.
I told you. Good thing the battery's not in there. It would fry your ECM.
Yeah, you get shocked a little bit from the
Yeah,
fence.
that's what I said. Probably need to pull this thing forward before you fry something.
But there's no battery. Do anything?
Well, I don't know, man. Still maybe a chance.
Yeah, the voltage is so low on that fence, it's not going to do anything. But the plan right off the bat is to get this thing clean. We're going to go ahead and take this front member out. We're going to take the radiator out. We're going to take the intercooler out. Get this whole thing taken apart. You may have to do a front main seal. Not sure yet until I clean all this up and see if it is leaking. He said it was leaking down there. So we'll go ahead and look at that. Just looking at it, guys, it's going to take a lot of work. It's going to take a lot more work than my old 2001 that you guys have seen on the channel before. This is in its own league. that one was already good to go, a bunch of bolt-on stuff. This one's gonna take a little bit more, actually a lot more than that truck. So definitely, you guys, stay tuned. It's a 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. It is 2-wheel drive, so we may 4-wheel drive swap it in the future. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Originally, my plan for this truck was to either cab swap it with Frank, which I kind of wanted to sell that truck and not worry about it and ruin it. It's in too good of shape, in my opinion, to cab swap it. So my plan was either to get this truck running, driving, and either sell it, cab swap it, or just have some fun with it. Build it different than I had built my other 2001, and either make it like a street truck or just do crazy things with this, since it's not going to be a daily driver. I didn't really do crazy things with my truck, my other 2001, because it was my daily driver, and if I broke something, I wouldn't have any vehicle to go anywhere. So yeah, the plan for this is either finding a different old cab and cab swapping it, selling it once it's all fixed up, or just going crazy with it. So let me know in the comments below. I'm ready to get working on this thing and get it started. The guy said it runs good. It's just gonna need a lot of work to get it running. Definitely new tires. Right off the bat, ooh, yeah, we almost smacked that.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I think you did hit that top piece off.
Yeah, the axle definitely hit that. Right off the bat with the exhaust, I want to hood stack this thing. I think that would be really cool. This hood's already kind of messed up, so it wouldn't really matter if I drill a hole in it. So hood stacking is definitely one thing I want to do with this truck, because I've never had a truck that's been hood stacked, and I think it'd be really cool. It's the work edition. I don't know what they called it, but it's got crank windows, vinyl flooring, which vinyl flooring is not that bad in trucks, because if you have carpet, you always got to worry about cleaning your carpet, ruining the carpet. Vinyl flooring, man, you can take a hose and just spray in here, or, you know, I think it's better than carpet, even if it is just a work truck. New dash, we're talking to a dash company, so I'm gonna try to get them to send out another dash for this truck. A dash bezel, just clean all this stuff up, man. This definitely has to be fixed. But we got the door panels in there. He's gonna go ahead and get me another door. That was part of the deal. So he's gonna have another door for the driver's side. But overall, it's in bad shape, but it's not in bad shape. But it is in bad shape. So I'm super excited about this build. Hopefully you guys are. It's gonna be totally different than my other 2001 Dodge Ram 2500. So definitely stay tuned. I think it's sick.
I think it's sick as hell.
Mero SS?
Yep.
Badass. But I'm super excited about this build. Definitely stay tuned. Completely different than my other 2001. So if you guys like Cummins videos, second gen videos, definitely stay tuned, and we'll see you guys later. Shout out to Caleb for helping me. We just been picking up trucks left and right, or not left and right, but the past couple days, week, we've picked up 2 trucks already. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Caleb's channel will be linked down below, and start working on it. See you guys later. Peace.
Pull it away from that fence with the Can-Am.
Yes, we're gonna try and just pull this truck up with my Can-Am, because I don't have my other Cummins here to do it, and we need to get off that electric fence, because he just got shocked.
So I got
real bad.
Shit out of. I went to put that tow strap on. I guess I touched the frame, and it lit me up.
We got it in 4-wheel drive, low gear.
Hold on, whoa.
Going over the stump, right?
Rear axle's hitting the stump. If anything, it needs to back up now, because I don't think you're going to be able to rip it over that stump. The rear axle, leaf spring bracket, or U-bolts are looking like it's hitting it.
Yeah, that's the problem. Yeah. Well, we'll have to come out here with Caleb's axe and try to get this. Man, we could have used your chainsaw.
Yeah, but then sell it for trade it for a truck.
But yeah, we'll I guess just leave it here and then push it forward and then do something with that stump. Or I don't know what else to do.
He needs to go back if anything.
Yeah, we'll just leave it here for now. As long as it's off the fence, we should be good. So we're gonna go. We'll catch up with you guys probably tomorrow. We're gonna go back to Caleb's house and try to get his 56 a little bit detailed. I don't know. We barely got any sunlight left.
We're going to do as much as we can.
But yeah, we got to rush.
It's 4 o'clock now.
So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned.
Peace.